Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, The Maths Booth. Today I am here with the continuation of practice paper, that is model paper for midterm examination 2024. So in my previous video we had completed till question number 28. Let us begin with question number 29. So here in the question 29, let us see sum of two-digit number and a number obtained by revising the two-digit is 121. Difference between their digit is 1. Find the two-digit number. So here the solution is, let the two-digit number be 10x plus y. I have taken y two-digit number as 10x plus y because they have told after reversing the two-digit. Here we have to reverse these two digits. So I have considered x, y as unit digit and x as tens digit. So I have written 10x plus y. So after reversing the number of digit, it becomes 10y plus x. Tens place will be tens only and unit place will be unit only, but the digits will be reverse. Okay. As per the question, sum of two-digit number. So this two-digit number is equal to, see, the sum of two-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the two-digit is 121. See, this is one digit and one more is after obtaining the reversing the digit. So this is first and this after reversing. So sum between them is 121, they have told in the question. So 10x plus x, 11x, 10y plus y, 11y is equals to 121. So I will take 11 common. So x plus y is equals to 121. That is x plus y is equals to 121 by 11. 11 ones are 11 11s are. So x plus y is equals to 11. So this is one equation. What they have told another thing is difference between their digit is 1. So difference between these two digit is 1. Sorry, not difference between their digit is 1, they have told. Difference between the two digit is 1. So x plus y is equals to 11, equation 1. X minus y is equals to 1 as per the question. So plus minus get cancelled. X plus x 2x. So here I have done a bit small mistake, that is 11 plus 1 is 12. Okay, 12, x is equals to x by 12. 2 ones are 2, 6 are 12. So x is equals to 6 we got. Put x is equals to 6 in equation 1. So x plus y is equals to 11. This is the equation 1. X value is 6. 6 plus y is equals to 11. Y is equals to 11 minus 6. And 11 minus 6 is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 5. Y is equals to 5. Okay, so let us see the numbers here. Therefore, the two-digit number is, therefore the two-digit number, let us take 10x plus y. So 10 as it is, 10 as it is, x value we got 6 plus y value we got 5. 10 6 are 60 plus 5, that is 65 or 56. These two digits, these are the two digits number. Okay. Let us see the next question. Here the mistake was I have taken difference between two number was 3. Actually the difference in the question, the difference between two number is 1 they have given. Okay, let us see the question number 30. So the question number 30 is, the sum of nth term of an AP is 210 and sum of n minus 1 term is 171. If the first term is 3, then find AP. Okay, let us solve now. Here, what they have told, sum of n term is 210. Okay, sum of n term is 210 and sum of n minus 1 term is 171. Okay, first term is 3, find AP. We know that, we know this formula, an is equals to sn minus 1. So an as it is, sn value is 210 they have given, minus sn minus 1 is 171. So we have substituted. An is equals to 210 minus 171 we got as 39. Okay. So we know the formula, sn is equals to n by 2 a plus l. So sn value we have 210 is equals to n by 2 as it is. A value first term they have given 3 plus L is nothing but an, last term 39. Now 210 as it is, n by 2 as it is, into 39 plus 3 is 42. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2. So 210 is equals to 21n. n is equals to 210 upon 21. 21 ones are 21 ones are 0 as it is. So we got n is equals to 10. Now we need to find AP now. So we need D. A they have given, we need D now. So D how we will get? With this formula, AN is equals to A plus n minus 1D. AN value 39 is equals to A value 3 plus n value 10 minus 1 D as it is. 39 minus 3 is equals to 10 minus 1 9D. 39 minus 3 is 36 is equals to 9D. D is equals to 36 by 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 fours are 36. So we got D is equals to 4. Therefore AP is A1, A2, A3. A1 is A, A2 is A plus D, A3 is A plus 2D. So we will substitute the value A3, A value 3 plus 4, 3 plus 2 into 4. That is 3 as it is. 3 plus 4, 7, 4 to the 8, 8 plus 3, 11. So they have told us to find AP and the AP is 3, 7, 11, dot, dot, dot. Okay, let us see the next question. Question number 30. There is one more question from 30 option we have. So let us see the next question here. If nth term of an AP is AN is equals to 4 minus 3n, then find the sum of 15 terms. Okay, here I have taken AN is equals to 4 minus 3n. Find S15 they have told. To find S15 we need A and D value, right? So first we will find AN is equals to 4 minus 3n. A1 is equals to 4 minus 3 n place 1. So 4 minus 4 on the 4 as it is, 3 on the 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. So A1 is 1. Like that A2 we will find 4 minus 3 into n value is 2. 4 as it is minus 3 to the 6. 4 minus 6 is minus 2. Same way A3. 4 as it is minus 3 into n place what we will write? 3. 4 minus 3 3s are 9 and 4 minus 9 is minus 5. Okay, we got here AP, that is first term 1, second term minus 2, third term minus 5. So they are in AP. Now let us write first term. A is equals to 1, D is equals to second term minus 2, second term minus first term 1. Okay, so minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 3. D value we got as minus 3. We need to find S15. So we know Sn formula n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. S15 is equals to 15 by 2. 2 into a value is 1 plus n minus 1. 15 minus 1. D value we got minus 3. So we'll keep as minus 3. Now 15 by 2 as it is. 2 ones are 2 as it is plus 15 minus 1 14 minus 3 as it is. Let us see the next step. 15 by 2 as it is. 2 also as it is. Plus minus 14 3s are 42. So here 15 by 2 as it is. 42 minus 2 is 40. Minus 40. Bigger number sign, right? So 2 ones are 2 20s are 15 into minus 20 and 15 into minus 20 is 300 because 15 to the 30 is 0 as it is. So find the values of S15 they have told. So S15 value is minus 300. Let us see the next question now. In the adjoining figure, in this figure, okay, let us see the figure properly. In the figure, PC parallel to QK and BC parallel to HK. If AQ is equals to 6 centimeter, okay, AQ 6 centimeter, QH 4 centimeter and KC 18 centimeter. Then find AK and PB. Here they have, by mistake they have not mentioned here HP value because in the textbook question and all HP value they had given as 5. Okay, so HP is 5. So let us solve this problem now. In the triangle ABC. Okay, APC. Can you see a triangle APC? PC parallel to QK. In triangle APC, or we can write QK parallel to PC. So I'll take exactly AH upon AQ upon QP. Half part upon half part. AQ upon QP is equals to AK upon KC. Okay. AQ value is, they have given 6 and QP value we can see QP, that is 4 plus 5, 4 and 5, 4 plus 5 is equals to AK as it is, KC they have given 18. So 6 upon 4 plus 5 is 9 is equals to AK upon 18. Let us cross multiply. 9 into AK is equals to 6 into 18. AK is equals to 6 into 18 by 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. So AK value is equals to 6 twos are 12. So we got AK value. Like that, now let us see PB we need to find. We got AK. Now we need to find PB. Let us take to find PB the whole triangle, the triangle ABC. Okay. Here we can see in triangle ABC, HK parallel to BC. Okay, I'll take half part. AH upon HB, AK upon KC by BPT. Okay, by BPT. Now AH value is 6AQ plus QH and HB value is HB plus PB. Okay, is equals to AK. Just now we got 12 and KC they have given 18. Okay, so 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. Now let us substitute the value. AQ is 6, QH is 4, HP is 5 plus PB is PB only is equals to 2 by 3. Let us cross multiply now this. Before that we will do one more step. 6 plus 4 10, 10 by 5 plus PB is equals to 2 by 3. So let us cross now. 2 into 5 plus PB is equals to 3 tens are 30. 5 tens are 2 5s are 10. 2 into PB 2B is equals to 30 as it is, 2 PB as it is, 30 as it is, minus 10. We brought this side. 2 PB is equals to 20. 30 minus 10 is 20. So PB is equals to 20 by 2. 2 1s are 2 10s are 20. So PB is equals to 10 we got. Okay. Let us see now in this question. There is again option in triangle ABC. This ABC triangle. If DE parallel to BC. Okay. If DE parallel to BC. And CD parallel to FE, okay, CD parallel to FE, prove that AD square is equals to AF into AB. Okay, let us see. This is also very easy by BPT only. Now here in triangle ABC, the whole triangle I am going in triangle ABC by BPT corollary, because see here I will take AD by AB by corollary of BPT, AD by AB. Same way AE by AC. Okay, equation 1. Now let us see next triangle ADC. In triangle ADC, FE parallel to CD. Okay. Now same thing, corollary AF by AD, AE by AC. Okay. So equation 2. Now from 1 and 2 we can see things which are equal to same things. These two are equal, so they are also equal. Because we know that things which are equal to same thing are equal to one another. Therefore, AD upon AB is equals to AF by AD. Let us cross multiply now. AD into AD, AD square. AB into AF, that is AF into AB. This only they have told to prove. So, we got the answer. Now, till 31 we have done. So, in my next video, I am coming up with 32 and this 33 problems. So, do like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.